The difference with the sizing a quarter square triangle to a half square triangle is the fact that we really need to ensure that we maintain the right size quarters all the way round our block, because otherwise it's going to look a bit wonky if we chop off one side more than the other. So what you need to know is what your finished size of your block is going to be. So if I just put this over the top here, I can see that what I'm aiming for is a 2.5 inch block. Okay, now to ensure that I cut accurately around all 4 sides, I need to now find the halfway intersection on my ruler. So if you take the measurement of 2.5 and we need to halve it to get ourselves to 1.25, which means that our 1.25 point on our ruler needs to hit the intersection where all 4 seams are crossing. That means that it will give us an accurate cutting all the way round. So again, we put our ruler 45-degree angle, we find our 1.25, so we've got 1.25 here. I can see that there's my 2.5 inches round the edge here, and this allows me now to accurately cut 2 sides, turn it 180 degrees and cut the remaining 2 sides, and ensure that each of my 4 quarters of my quarter square triangle are equal.